Now the system is armed. I want to try to activate the alarm by one of the door contact. You can see this is one like contact. I take up. This will check the door entrance about some time to use it to disarm the system. If no one disarm, the alarm will activate. So I want to leave it and activate the alarm. So hold down a while, you can see. Now you can take all the phone calls. Now I have to disarm the system. So now back to normal. I want to try one more door contact. This one different from other door contact and the motion sensor. This will activate immediate alarm. So I want to show you first. The system. Now system is ready. Now I'm using immediate activation. This is from the card reader, this one. So now we connected this link up, you can see immediate alarm activation. I want to disarm the system. Okay, now I want to show you that user using the card, access card to enter to the area. No alarm activation will be happening. I'll show you now. Wait for alarm activation. Now I'm going to use this memory access card. Alarm was activated. Actually, I'm going to use access card to enter to the home. Okay, now alarm was disconnected. Now I try to take it out. Contact.